Why we want to sell high-ticket affiliate products? High-ticket affiliate products simply means affiliate products that are giving out high commissions. Let's look at this scenario. Your affiliate products give you $10 every time someone click and buy from your link. So if you spend $100 to get 100 potential customer to your landing page through Facebook marketing, each of these potential customer costs you $1. And out of this 100 potential customer, 10% of them buy your products. And that will be 10 people buying from you. And you get to earn $100 commissions. So you have spent $100 in order to earn $100 commissions. Did you see it? You did not earn anything. You are just on a break-even situation. On the other hand, if you are selling a high-ticket products, which you will get $100 for every successful sale, the story will be totally different. You spend $100 to get 50 potential customers to your landing page through Facebook marketing. So each of these potential customers costs you $2. And out of these 50 potential customers, only 4% of them buy your products. And that will be 2 people buying from you. And you get to earn $200. So did you see the difference? The products that are giving out high commissions probably products that are in higher selling price as well. Therefore, you can expect a lower conversion rates. But then, it does not really matter if the conversion rate is low, as the commissions itself that you receive are enough to earn back what you have spent on your Facebook ads, and also it able to generate some profits as well. So how do you find such high-ticket products in ClickBank? Very simple. Just go to Marketplace in ClickBank, go to Filter column on the left, and look for initial dollar per sale. Over here, set the first column to $100. What it does is that it will only show products that are giving out at $100 and above commissions. If you want to ask me, I personally prefer to choose products that are giving out more than $50 commissions per sales. Well, the reason is very simple. The hard work that you put in to promote the lower commission and the higher commission products is pretty much the same. Why not choose a higher commission products? I love this statement very, very much. In order to earn your very first 1 million, it can be 250,000 people buy a $4 product from you, 100,000 people buy a $10 product from you, 50,000 people buy a $20 product from you, 10,000 people buy a $100 product from you, or 1,000 people buy a $1,000 product from you. So which product do you choose to sell? A $4 products or a $1,000 products? The choice is yours.